Plasma is the state of matter wherein there is high energy particles such as quarks. Substance that has mass and which takes up space by volume is a matter. Hello everyone, I'm Brinda, Faculty of Physics, Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, Mysuru, welcoming you all to the session 4 of Bridge course, connection between your 10th to your PU. So in our last class, we had studied regarding the fundamental concepts of physics. Now we are studying regarding the matter. So substance that has mass and which takes up space by volume is a matter. So any object can be considered as a matter. The one which has mass and which occupies space by volume is said to be a matter. Matter is a stuff which is present around you. So matters can be like atoms, molecules or compounds, etc. So here, matter, there are 4 states of matter and many others occurs in the extreme condition, out of which I have considered one. So matter, here we have solid, liquid, gas, plasma, quark, gluon, plasma. These are the 4 states of matter and this occurs at the extreme condition. There are many other which occurs at extreme condition, out of which I have picked one to explain you the further things regarding this concept. So solid. What is a solid? Solid is the one where the molecules is packed up tightly, which is closely packed, and the particles do not move. There is no movement of the particles inside the solid, is tightly packed. Next is liquid. Liquid is the one which occupies a space which is given to it. Here, in liquids, the particles are loosely packed when compared to that of solid, and in case of gases, the particles are free to move. So these are the 3 states of matter now I have studied, and now coming to plasma. Plasma is the state of matter wherein there is high energy particles such as quarks. These 3 states of matter are common in Earth, but when compared to plasma, plasma is not common in Earth, it is common in universe. That is, the example is stars are superheated balls of this plasma. Okay, so this is a commonly occurring in universe. The reactions which is taking place in stars, sun, all those has this concept of plasma, and this is quark, gluon, plasma. All these comes under your nuclear physics, because here we study regarding quarks. So quarks consist of this protons, neutrons and electrons. So here you can study regarding the fission reaction, fusion reaction, the fusion reaction which is taking place in the universe. All those things comes under this nuclear reactions, that is nuclear physics. There are certain reactions wherein you have to know how the reaction takes place and what happens due to the reactions when it is combined with given molecules, combined with the given elements. Okay, so let us see a few of the applications regarding this nuclear physics. It is one of the interesting topic which you can go into. So nuclear power. Nuclear power here in India, it is situated in Narora, Rajasthan, Kalpakam, Kaiga, etc. in few other places. Why is it used? Nuclear power station that is used in order to generate electricity. So here nuclear power has one of the great importance nowadays, and nuclear weapons, it is used in war. So nuclear weapons are the one wherein you use the energy in an explosive way. You use the energy in an explosive manner. That is nuclear weapons. It is usually used in wars. Next is nuclear medicine. How is the nuclear medicine used? It is used to detect the coronary artery diseases and the malfunctioning of the internal organs, problems in lungs as well as flow of blood, etc. Likewise, you use this nuclear medicine. Next is NMRI. So here, NMRI, it is used in industries to check the defect of the molecules or to check the defect of the matter or an object. So now it has great importance in industrial as well as agricultural use. Which one? This nuclear physics. The nuclear physics branch has got much importance in industrial as well as agricultural use. Next is ion implantation material. It is used in engineering. It is used in radiocarbon dating, that is prediction of the age of the object or a matter which is present around us. That is how you use the nuclear physics. So you all know how this nuclear physics is used. When you go deep into these things, that is nuclear physics, you will get to know how and where the branches of physics are used. Okay, so you have got in physics, you have got much and much to learn, to discover, to invent many things by having the basic of the fundamental concepts. So you got to know that what exactly is science, what is meant by physics. That means it is a study of nature, that is fuses. It is from a word called as fuses, which means nature. By this word we have got the physics, the word as physics. You have got to know the branches of physics, that is domains of physics. You got to know where exactly certain topics stand, in which domain certain topics stand. All those you have studied, as well as the fundamental concepts of this physics was studied, and we have come at the end, we have studied about the matter, and out of states of matter, one matter we have just pulled it out because the other matters are very much common, that is three matters, solid, liquid as well as gas is very much common in earth. When it comes to plasma, it is the one which is obtained at the universe, in the universe, that is fusion reactions which is taking place in the stars. Okay, so now having the fourth state of matter, there we can study there a separate branch occurs. That branch is nothing but nuclear physics. In nuclear physics, whatever we can study, how is the things going on, all those you can see here, and the applications regarding this nuclear physics, having the nuclear physics as a base, what are the, how it is applied to the common practice. So what are we doing? What are we doing having the branch that is nuclear physics? All those things are under here, that is nuclear power. We are using it as a power, and nuclear weapons have been used in wars, medicines, nuclear magnetic resonance imaging, and industrial. It has got wide range of application in industrial as well as agricultural field. Ion implantation in material is also one of the thing, and engineering, that is whatever it is used to develop the instruments or the provide the necessary process or the instrument which is used to derive the power from this nuclear energy and radiations. Okay, and it is also used in radiocarbon dating as well, in geology as well as archaeology department. This is all about your bridge course, and next I'll be coming up with your first chapter of your first PUC. Have a good day. Thank you.